you observe continuation by conditional. So before doing by condition, the symbol is observed here. P implies Q, Q implies P. Once again you are writing both arrow mark like this manner. This we call it as a P biconditional Q. This we call it as a P biconditional Q. In a sense, first we come here P and Q. P implies Q. P implies Q in the sense, first you have to write the condition method. What is the condition method? P implies Q in the sense 1 implies 0. Here only you have to write 0. Remaining all case it should be 1. So Q implies P in the sense you observed here 0, 1. So that condition 0 implies 1 not. Q implies P in the sense 1 implies 0. This reverse order. Q is having 1 here and P is the value having its 0 here. So 1 implies 0, it is 0. So Q implies P. So once it comes here, you should do, you observed here, this P biconditional Q is the same as P implies Q. P implies Q conjunction Q implies P. So P biconditional Q, it should be same as P implies Q conditional Q implies P. In the sense, condition statement says that both input should be 1, then only the output should be 1. If any one statement belongs to 0, definitely the output is belongs to 0 only. You just observe here. Here also 1, 1. Definitely output is 1 because both two inputs is valuing is 1. Here you observe here second row 1, 0. One input is belongs to 0. That's why definitely our output is 0. So 0 implies 1. Definitely our output is 0 because 1 is 0 and another one element is 1. So here 1 implies 1 is 1. So P biconditional Q is equivalent to P implies Q conjunction Q implies P. Fine. Let's go for the example. Okay. So what he says that P. So P means a circle is a conic. Q is root 5 is a real number. R is exponential series is a convergent. So express the following compound propositions in a words. So what he says that we given some set of values to belongs to P, Q and R. Using that our statement you have to write, you have to solve our problem. So you have just observed here. So P conjunction not Q in the sense, what is P? P is a circle is a conic, not Q. What is Q? Root 5 is a real number. So how you have to write? A circle is a conic and conjunction in the sense, and a circle is a conic and negative Q in the sense root 5 is not a real number. So P negation conjunction not Q in the sense, this word a circle is a conic, conjunction in the sense, and negation Q in the sense root 5 is real number. Actually Q is root 5 is real number. You have to make it as a negation. That's why root 5 is not a real number. Like that you have just observed here negation P disjunction Q in the sense, negation P in the sense a circle is not a conic, or Q in the sense root 5 is a real number. So you are writing properly. So negation P in the sense a circle is a conic P. Negation in the sense a circle is not a conic. Or instead of this symbol you are writing R, and Q. Q is normal, there is no negation. Root 5 is a real number. So you come here below P. The statement is, what is the statement is? Condition. P condition, negation Q. In a sense, P in the sense P exclusive, not Q. In a sense, P either circle is a conic or root 5 is not a real number, but not both. In a sense, P exclusive Q. In a sense, exclusive ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, it should both should not having the same element. So 1 comma 1 in exclusive, it is output is 0. 0 comma 0 output is 0. But when comes to 0 comma 1 output is 1. 1 comma 0 output is 1. So that's why he says that clearly P exclusive negation Q in the sense either a circle is a conic or any one. Root 5 is not a real number. In that sense, in the both two statement, only one statement should be positive, remaining is negative, like this manner. So next is Q implies negation P. Q implies negation P in the sense, what is Q? Q in the sense, this type of statement, when comes to implies, you have to add if and then. Okay, if root 5 is a real number, then negation P in the sense a circle is a conic. So you have to write a circle is not a conic. Got it? Next is P implies Q exclusive R. So here you have to add before if P statement. If A is a circle conic, next is for instead of this symbol implies symbol, you have to write then Q exclusive R in the sense either root 5 is a real number or the exponential series is convergent, but not both. So based on exclusive statement you return. So you come here next, negation P. Okay, negation P biconditional Q. Here also you have to write if a circle is not a conic, then root 5 is a real number, and if root 5 is a real number, then a circle is not a conic. In the sense 1 comma 0, 0 comma 1, like that manner you return the statement. That's it. Fine. Second question, you only try to solve. This is actually statement 1. Next one, it is values, it is present. Okay, try to solve this one. P, okay, P conjunction negation Q, and second one negation P disjunction Q. Okay, third is P implies negation Q. Fourth one negation P exclusive negation Q. So try to solve this one. If you have any doubts, Thursday class we are going to discuss. So this is your first assignment for this class. Thank you.